Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Focus Mk2 cabin filter. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is off for safety. You will need a T20 torque screwdriver and possibly a small flathead screwdriver. Having a new cabin filter ready, with the airflow arrow noted, will make the process smooth. Let's get started by preparing the glove box area. Now, let's access the filter. Begin by emptying everything from your glove box. Next, locate and remove the two T20 torque screws positioned at the bottom of the glove box. Once these are out, gently pull the glove box forward and down to detach it from its upper hinges. This will reveal the filter housing behind it. With the glove box removed, you'll see a rectangular cover for the cabin filter housing. There might be clips or small screws holding it in place. Open this cover, then carefully slide out the old, dirty filter. Pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow on the old filter. Insert your new filter, ensuring its airflow arrow points in the same direction, usually towards the rear of the car. Once the new filter is in place, close and secure the filter housing cover. Now, carefully realign the glove box with its upper hinges and push it back into position. Reinsert and tighten the two T20 torque screws at the bottom of the glove box. Finally, turn on your car's fan to ensure proper airflow and check for any unusual noises. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.